2024 HP laptop. Came in a damaged box like this. Still weak packaging. We get laptop in a plastic bag, manual, charger, 2 parts. This one is kind of small. Only 45 watt. I wish it was 65, but at least it's really small. Let's take a look at the laptop, and after that we'll discuss its specs. Design seems to be unchanged from previous year. We get USB-C, we get HDMI, USB-A headphone input. No SD card here, nothing in the back. Pretty thin. Another USB-A and charging here. It's 17-inch. You buy something like this if you want to substitute a desktop. You want a big screen. Can be good for watching movies. Gray keyboard. Numeric buttons over here. Power button right here next to backspace and delete. I like the silver smooth materials here. Trackpad. Nothing special, average. Buttons are kind of nice on touch. Definitely better than in Dell. Nice and smooth. I think the buttons are better, at least than they were a few years ago. Definitely better. Very nice on touch. Low profile. I like. Core 5 120U. This is 2024. This looks like speakers, but it probably ventilation. We have some cheap plastic here in the bezel. Same here. A little bit bigger than average size bezel, I would say. It's proportionally okay, but it's bigger than in some 15-inch models. Camera with camera shutter. This must be the microphones. These come in like hundreds different specs. Let's look at specs of this one. So 17 means it's 17-inch. 17.3 Full HD IPS display. 300 nits, not to 20, not to 50, 300. That's a good brightness. Means this display is better than the very basic one. 16 gig DDR4, non-gaming usually come with DDR4. 512 SSD is pretty normal. 16 gig is a new norm right now. You gotta get 16 gig, not 8, okay? And with the storage, they can be 256, 512, 1 terabyte. See what's good for you, what's enough for you. I think 512 is a good middle ground. Core 5 120U, this is 14th gen. It's very good. It's comparable to i7 13 gen, like 1355U. This is a very good CPU, and it's really not far away from Core 7 155U. You'll be fine with just Core 5. Core 7 has extra 2 like cores, threads, whatever, and maybe better integrated graphics, but the raw performance in tests show that this one is about the same as Core 7 155U. You can just step down to Core 5. It's pretty good already.